This is a fiberglass fire blanket from the company Wucgea, maybe is how you would say that. I don't even know how to pronounce that. And the size on this is 3 by 3 foot by 3 by 3 foot. It's an actual square. And just looking at this is a good size for like throwing over like a pan or something that's on fire in your kitchen, or if you need to kind of grab something and run out of a house that's on fire or something like that. So you're going to grab the release tape at the end, these release things right here, pull downwards and outwards. It kind of shows you right here, drape the blanket over the flames to seal out the air, switch off the heat, so or leave in position. And there's another thing you could use it for if someone's on fire or there's a fire and you need to get out of somewhere. Pull this out, put it around your shoulders or over your head and run out. But looking over it, I'm just going to kind of like show you how this thing works. Number one, it comes in a very sturdy package. You'll hang this in a kitchen on a hook. I put one in the kitchen. I've got a 4-pack here. I have one in my car and one close to my bedroom and then one in the kitchen. So let me show you how this thing works. So it's hanging on a hook. What you're going to do, it's on Velcro here. Go pull it like that. Pulls out like this, and it's folded up. And then unfolding it here, it's basically a fireproof material. And let me grab a lighter and try to light this. So I have a little torch here. Let's just try it out. It burns it, but it doesn't like catch on fire. You see that? It basically just put a little dot on it. Now this is a blowtorch. This is a torch lighter that gets up to well over 1,000 degrees. It is smoking, as y'all can see. I cannot get this to catch on fire. You can easily burn a hole through it with a torch, but that's to be expected. I mean, this can melt, almost metal almost. Very impressive on that. I think this thing would work. You'd use a fire extinguisher on like a bigger fire. I do have a fire extinguisher in there, by the way. Highly recommend one of those. Now, this would probably burn. Okay, so these things are not fireproof right here, these little things, but it looks like the whole blanket right here is. And it's actually it's a lot bigger than what you think it is, that's for sure, looking at the size of it. I'm impressed, everybody. This is something that you hope you never have to use, but why not? If it's something this simple and does its job at such an affordable price, why not? It's another, if a pan's on fire in my kitchen and I don't want to use a fire extinguisher or I don't have anything, I could just throw this over the entire stove and it should be good to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the fire blanket. See y'all in the next video.